Hi everyone, today we're going to walk through how to set up Kiwi Return Saver. This is the first page you're going to see after you install the app, and we're going to follow the setup guide step by step to set up our first campaign. So the first thing we want to do is activate the app. We're going to open the theme editor. So once we open the theme editor, we can see that we have two toggle options on the left. Options: the cart drawer, which will enable Kiwi Return Saver to display our no return discount campaign in the cart page, and we'll see the product embed that will allow the Return Saver to display our no return discount campaign on the product page. We're going to want to enable both, and we're going to click Save on the top right. Now that our app is active, we can move on to the second step, which is to create our first campaign. I'm going to click Open Discount Campaign Page. And on the top right, we're going to create our new campaign. The first thing we're going to do is name our campaign. And this gives me an option to have a date set in the future to launch my campaign. We can use the date picker and the time picker for a very specific time to launch the campaign. However, I'm not going to be using this today because I want my campaign to go live right away. Next, we need to select the discount type that we want. We can choose between a % off and a fixed dollar amount. I'm going to go with 10% off. And here we can see exactly what it's going to look like on the product and cart pages. Everything looks good. I am going to keep the text color the same. However, you can change this to fit your branding. And the badge color here, I'm going to change this to purple. Here we can edit the message for the checkbox and for the info icon text. I'm going to keep this the same, but you are able to make edits for this text. The next step is to select our products for this campaign. I'm going to select individual products. I can do this by adding a filter by category, collection, type, tag, or vendor, but I'm going to just do an individual selection. And I'm going to click Add. And everything looks good on my end, so I'm going to actually activate this campaign. And we can go see what it looks like live on the product page. So this is the product that I applied the discount to. You can see my purple banner and the text that I saved. Here is how somebody can accept to waive their right to a return in exchange for the discount. And once I add the product to the cart, I can see that the same messaging is showing up here, so there is no confusion. Just want one of these. And I'm going to proceed to checkout. And we can see the same messaging is applied at checkout as well. So there should be no confusion for your shoppers in accepting this final sale discount. Now, if you want to edit your campaigns, you can either edit your campaign here, or you can pause your campaign. Also, if you'd like to delete your campaigns, on the right here with the 3 dots, you can delete your campaign. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via chat.